Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. This is Bryan with Abound Web Design here with another Squarespace tutorial for you. Today we're going to be talking about how to change the date on your blog post. So there could be reasons why you needed to backdate a blog post or move the date ahead. I know a lot of times if you start off with the beginning of a blog, Squarespace will give you the 4 filler blog posts, and if you were to take those and just edit them, you're going to be stuck with the date that they had on there, which is all the way back in 2019. And so you may need to update that. So you may need to move that ahead. The reason why it starts off on 2019 is that's when version 7.1 of Squarespace was launched. And that's the date that was on it then. And it's just been what's stayed on it. They haven't ever updated that. And so you may need to update that. You may also have reasons to want to take a blog post, the date of publish, and move it backwards in time. And so we'll show you how to do both of those things. Let's head over to my screen and I'll show you how to do that right now. Okay, so we're here on my demo website and we're just going to go into pages here under website and then go down to where the blog is on this demo website. And we'll click into that. And you'll see here these 4 filler blog posts that are created whenever you start a blog on your website. And you see, I guess at some point or another, I probably changed the date on some of these. You see that one's a little bit different, but these are all the way back in 2019. And so we can just click into those. Let's see, we don't even need to click into it. We can just go into the settings right here in the 3 dots, settings. And then you're going to want to go into options. And the status of it right now is published. And so when you click on that, you can see that it is marked published, and the date that it was published is May the 19th of 2020. And so if I wanted to change it to today, I would have to. Now, Squarespace has actually updated the time picker here. They really need to update the date picker. So the time picker, you used to have to slide. There was a slider that you had to slide through, and uh, you had to slide it and land exactly on the time that you wanted to pick. Now you can actually click on that and type in the time that you wanted to do. So if you wanted to do 4 p.m., you type that, you hit enter, and it goes on there. So that's a lot better. They need to be able to do the same thing with the date. You think they would have that updated by now, but they don't. So for now, you have to actually click the arrow a lot because that's, we're almost 6 years out now. So we're almost there now. We are in April of 25. Today is the 22nd. So 4 p.m. And then you just click save. And you can see today at 4 p.m. Now, same thing if I wanted to take it and go back on the date, click the 3 dots, click settings, go into options, click on where it's published there, and then let's say I wanted to go back a year ago. Go back to April 22nd, 2024, click save. And you see it's on April the 22nd there. That's all there is to it. You just find it in the settings there, go to published. And this is also the same way that, just a little bonus here, but you probably figured this out from what you saw there, but this is the same way you could schedule something. So if you wanted to schedule something into the future, you could click scheduled and then go into whatever date you wanted it to be. Maybe we wouldn't have it set to post on July the 16th. And you can set the time. You can double click on that. Go to 12. You can arrow over, change that to the 0, make it be right at 12 o'clock noon. And then click save. And that's all there is to it. So if you found that useful, please leave a like and subscribe for more Squarespace content like this. And if you'd like me to build your Squarespace website for you, you can find my contact information in the description below.